From devastating earthquakes to catastrophic hurricanes, and from raging wildfires to massive tsunamis, these terrifying natural disasters were caught on camera, and the world will never forget them. Buckle up, because this is one wild ride. For the people in Taiwan, it was like another normal day at the gym until the ground beneath them began to shake. Check out this flash flood in Cat Ba Island of Vietnam, which left families wondering where to run. Up next, we have one of the largest tsunamis caused in Japan in 2011. The people of Ramaswamy, India, were thrown into a panic when huge waves hit the shores, leaving a trail of massive destruction. The ocean is definitely very scary, but how scary does it get? Hold your breath while you watch this next video.
Jag har det på film. Jag har det på film. Åh, fan alltså. Åh, fy fan.
Chaos unfolds as raging floodwaters rip trees straight from the ground. Or this time when a road gets absolutely demolished due to a massive landslide.
पूरा ही आएगा वो सो अरे भगदड़ Oh man!
Watch the beauty of nature as a massive avalanche thunders down the mountainside. They sure are majestic to see from afar. How would it feel like inside one, though? Are avalanches scarier or glaciers? You decide. If tornadoes terrify you, these videos won't do you any favors, but curiosity wins. Keep watching.
My God!
Thank God we didn't get hit by that. Look at the debris. Thank God we didn't get hit by that.
Get inside! Get inside!
Shut down!
Get T, go in.
Guys, get in here!
Go on, get in the back.
Oh my God.
A small gender reveal party could do no harm, right? Ever wonder how bad a tsunami can get? Watch one of the most catastrophic tsunamis ever caught on camera. How badly does a place get affected by the earthquake? You would be surprised to see. Disasters don't always have to be ugly. This volcano eruption in Guatemala left everyone in awe. Water sustains us and destroys us. How? We could do nothing but watch when disasters like these unfold. Floods are bad enough. How much worse does it get when flash floods come over? Would you be able to survive this? Were you warned not to go out during a thunderstorm, but did it anyway? After you watch this video, you would never step out during a thunderstorm ever again.
Silver Lake, Point, Maple Hill, Emmett, Tavia, and Willard.
That was definitely a scary ride, wasn't it? What would you do if you found yourself face to face with nature's raw, unstoppable power? From raging floods to terrifying tornadoes, we have it all on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out.